What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. So if you've been following the channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't. Then you know that I received a box from Turtle Racks. It gave me some great products that they wanted me to review. I reviewed some of the other products. Links down in the description below if you haven't seen those videos. So in continuation with the product reviews, we're going to review their car wash. It's called Pure Wash, and we have a tire and wheel prep called HyperFoam that we're going to review. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is use our HyperFoam to clean the wheels and tires. Per the directions, it says do not use on non-factory painted wheels. I'm not sure if that means the wheels that I have. They're definitely not factory. If you don't know if this is made for your aftermarket rims, it's best to try to use it on an inconspicuous area. That way, if it doesn't work out, you haven't messed up the face of your wheels. So that's probably what I'll do, is try that. But continuing on, shake well using a ventilated area. I mean, you're usually going to wash your car outside and your wheels, so that shouldn't be an issue. And then shake well, rinse the wheel with a strong stream of water. That's just to remove any loose dirt and to cool your wheels if you've been driving the car. Spray wheel and tire evenly. This is for wheels and tires, so spray everything. Let it soak for a minimum of 30 seconds and a maximum of 1 minute, and then you can agitate it with the brush if you need to. If it's your tires and rims are really dirty, probably for your tires you can go ahead and agitate it, because probably use some kind of tire shine. Rinse thoroughly, dry wheel and tire. So that's it for this. So let's get to cleaning. Alright, so I sprayed it down. You see what it looks like with just straight water. So now I'm going to spray it on a little spot just to make sure nothing happens, and then we can spray it on the whole wheel and tire. So I'm trying to think of an inconspicuous space. I'm thinking inside the barrel. Doesn't seem like anything's happening, so we're going to go ahead and spray just the whole wheel and tire. So what I want to do is try it without agitating the wheels, and then try one with agitating the wheels, and let's see how that comes out. So as you can see, there's some dirt coming off the tires and the rims. Like I said, I didn't agitate this. I'm going to do the other wheels where I do agitate the wheels and the tires, and then we'll see how that comes out. So I didn't put it on the super wrap calipers, because I'm not sure how it will react with that, since it did say non-factory paint. I didn't want to risk it, so I just got it mostly on the tires and the wheels. So let's rinse it and see what we get. So as you see, the wheels came out pretty good. The tire came out okay. It has a little bit of tire shine left that you can still see on there. That's just because we didn't agitate it with the brush. But I just want to kind of get a baseline of how it would behave without doing any type of agitation to the wheels or the tires. My opinion, pretty good. So I'm going to do another wheel and agitate it, then we just see the before and after of that. Alright, so now that we have it all sprayed up, we're going to agitate it with a brush. I'm using a soft bristle brush, by the way. So the wheel I'm not too concerned about, because it came out really well without having to agitate. So it'd probably mostly be on the tire, and I'm going to use a harder bristle brush for that. So as you can see, the dirt is coming off the wheels a little bit more than the other ones when we didn't agitate it. So let's rinse it off now and then see what we get. Alright, so we're done with that. After agitating it and rinsing it off, you can see the results. The biggest difference is the tires here. You can see that there's no shine left like it was on the other side. So as you can see, the wheel is pretty much the same as it was on the other side. So agitation really didn't matter too much for my wheels. Now that's gonna vary based on the wheel you have, like your spokes and all that, how dirty it was, brake dust, all that. Mine's were pretty dirty. I hadn't washed the car in probably a month. That's about as dirty as they're gonna get, and you can see that the product works very well. All right, so there you have it. We've cleaned our wheels using the HyperFoam. Comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I enjoyed the product. I think it has good results. I like that I can use it on the tire and the wheels. So that makes it easier when you're washing your car. You don't have to have two separate products. So thumbs up in my book. So let's move on to the car wash. Pure Wash by Turtle Wax. So now we're gonna wash the car. I'm using the Turtle Wax Pure Wash, and then I'm gonna be using my foam cannon by MJJC. And I have a link to these products in the description as well. One of the first things that always catches my attention is the smell of Turtle Wax products. They always smell like candy. Like this smells like a Jolly Rancher or something. I don't know what they put in this thing, but it smells really, really good. So let's fill up our cannon here with the soap and then get started. The good thing about my MJJ foam cannon is that you don't have to put a lot of soap. You only put 1 milliliter of soap and then you fill the rest up with water. All right, filled it up to the top of the fill line and we are ready to rock and roll. All right, so we're gonna use our Pure Wash car wash. It is part of the Hyper Solution product line from Turtle Wax. All right, so they advertise it as being their slickest, swirl-resistant, pH neutral car wash. So the one thing that you do want is for your car wash to be pH neutral. It has an amazing scent. It produces thick, clingy foam. We're gonna see that in a minute. It says it's easy to rinse off and it thoroughly cleans without stripping protection. So if you have wax or anything on your car like that, it's not going to strip that off of your car. Directions are pretty self-explanatory. Another thing to mention here about this product is that you can use it with your foam sprayer, you can use it with your bucket, of course, and you can also use it with your clay mitt because it provides such a slick surface that you can go ahead and use it with your decontaminating clay bar, clay mitt. If you could do two things at once, that's always great, and have one product that can do two things, always a good thing. I'm not going to be doing a clay mitt today, but I may try that in the future, so stay tuned. But we're going to go ahead and get started washing the car, and I'll show you the results. Alright, so as you can see, the foam is really, really thick, like they claim, and it does have a slick consistency. So I'm just going to do a little bit of cleaning with my sponge, and then we'll rinse it off and see what we have. So the soap is slick, but most soap is, and I really won't be able to tell if it's a really good match with the clay mitt until I do it for myself. But for now, we're just going to do a regular cleaning, and I'll show you the results after I use the sponge a little bit and then rinse it off. So as you can see, it preserved the wax because you can still see the beading of the water on the surface. So it didn't strip any of my protection. So there you have it, guys. The results from using Pure Wash as well as the HyperFoam tire and wheel prep. So if you ever use these products, either one of them, please leave me a comment down below. As always, I'll have linked to the products in the description down below as well. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up. And remember, If you want to see other videos like this, I have them over here. And you can see the other reviews of the products that Turtle Wax sent me as well. So as always, remember, do it until you can. Until next time, I'm out. So if you haven't done so already, check out drivetalkcars.com. That way you can get your own merch just like this. Have hoodies, t-shirts, jet tags, and stickers. So check it out.